Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be talking about Rust project called Rust Data Analysis. This is about a collection of Jupyter notebooks which provides a detailed exploration of data analysis using Rust. Fueled by a Rust kernel, these notebooks enable you to extensively explore the field of data analysis utilizing the strengths of the Rust. And with the help of various Rust libraries like ND array plotters and others, you can effortlessly uncover valuable insights from diverse datasets. So in here, talking about the inputs and the outputs that I have given and got from these projects. As per the documentation, first I have forked and cloned the project into my GitHub repository, and I've opened it, started it working in my Visual Studio Code. And I have opened a terminal in my Visual Studio Code. Since I've already worked on it and executed it the second time, I'm not able to show you the code that I've entered in the beginning in order for this project to work. As I'm showing you here, these are the steps that I followed. I had installed the notebook by entering pip install notebook, which will install your Jupyter notebook. And also then I have entered cargo install EVCXR Jupyter, which will install EVCXR. So EVCXR is a Rust read, eval, print loop and Jupyter kernel that allows you to interactively run Rust code in a Jupyter notebook environment. So once I do that, coming back to the Visual Studio Code, once I do that, I enter Jupyter notebook, which will help me with these URLs, and following these links will give you this Jupyter homepage. So here, this is a data set and the rest all are Python notebooks. And going and opening the first notebook here, it is about iris data analysis that we perform. So where the code helps us retrieve shape, head, tail, description, number of columns, mags of the data set, convert into ND array, etc. And also helps us perform mathematical operations along X and Y axes, and also get transpose, 2D matrix multiply, and also works on some scatter plots, sepals, petals, histograms, and also with other machine learning models on the iris data, just like I'm showing you here. And the second notebook, if we open the second notebook, it is all about the library ND array, and this is a popular library for multidimensional arrays in Rust. It is widely used for numerical computing and array manipulations. So its primary use includes multidimensional array manipulation, performance, interoperability, and data analysis. And going to the third, as we scroll down to the second, going to the third notebook, here it is a data manipulation library in Rust. So first we, as usually, install the dependencies and then going forward. So talking about the library, it provides a data frame API similar to pandas in Python. So it is designed for efficient parallelized processing of large-scale datasets by offering interface for common data operations such as filtering, grouping, and aggregating. And the same goes with the fourth notebook, since we are using the Polars library and performing all the operations that I've just now mentioned. And going to the fifth notebook. So this notebook uses plotters and StatRS libraries. It is a second drawing library in Rust that focuses on creating high quality charts and visualizations. It provides flexible and customizable API for generating various types of plots, charts, bar charts, scatter plots, making it suitable for data visualization tasks. So StatRS is also a statistical library for Rust, offering a range of common statistical functions and distributions. It enables developers to perform statistical analysis and generate random numbers following specific distributions like the Gumbel and the ones that you can see, exponential distribution, etc. and by supporting applications in fields like data science and machine learning, and also in scientific computing. And going to the sixth, so going to the sixth notebook. So this is using the libraries called plotters and NDArray to give single line plots using arrays, using NDArray and cubic functions, multi-line plots using vectors, and using NDArray, rand, and grid axis and labels, and multi-line plots using NDArray again, and many others like colors and markers. It also will give you plain grid and also plots along with the grid. So it also gives you subplots, helps you get you split horizontally and vertical bars and horizontal bars and scatter plots, histograms, etc. And this is all about my project that I've worked on, which is Rust data analysis. Thank you so much.